So when I'm thinking about some of the stuff and I'm trying to get people on my page of saying, hey, our time's important, why don't we use it really, really at the highest level so we can go out and have fun together? That's really pushing them to get a lot better at their job so that we can move on and have fun together. A lot of my perfect week even has, hey, here's when I work late. Here's when I go out and hang out with my friends. Here's when I have break breads. And it's very systematically organized in that, hey, I'm having breakfast at this place at 7:45 tomorrow. Can you meet me there? I'd love to see you. Hey, I'm having drinks at this place at 5 o'clock for happy hour. I'd love to see you there. So really, when people are talking about time management, you just have to be overly aware and make sure that if you do have a schedule and you want to follow it, you have to follow it no matter what, 80% of the time. And I understand things get in the way, but it cannot be deleted. It can be moved, but it cannot be removed. It's really important that you feel accomplished in any given day. Otherwise, you're just kind of letting yourself down. Then all of a sudden, you're having these purposeful meetings. You're really staying on task. And you know what? When you're looking for big clients and you're looking for people to really respect you and build that VIP list I was talking about, when you manage your time perfect, it's what I found to be the most utmost respectful thing that you can do, not only for you, but for the other people that you're hanging out with. You know, if somebody shows up to a meeting 20, 30, 40 minutes late, that really shows you their level of respect towards you, but also vice versa if you were to do the same thing. So I know it's silly, but 10 minutes early is on time, but that's really to prepare and get in the right headspace. So even on listing appointments, I'll just stand down the road, sit in my car, start studying the file, knowing their names, what's important. We have something called an All About You form. If that's filled out, what are their dogs' names, their kids' names, and I use that time wisely, but I never go in and until exactly our appointment time, because moving forward, they're relying on me to not only manage their money, but to manage their emotions. And I don't believe that you can personally do that unless you manage your time.